At first glance, plantains and bananas seem almost identical, but they have some key differences. Both plantains and bananas come from the same family, Musaceae, and are native to Southeast Asia. However, they've spread across the globe, becoming staple ingredients in many cuisines. Let's start with the visual differences. Plantains are generally larger and have a thicker skin than bananas. They also have a more angular shape, while bananas are more curved. Plantains are usually green to yellow or black, while bananas come in a range of colors from green to yellow and sometimes even red. Moving on to taste and texture, plantains have a starchy, somewhat bland flavor when compared to bananas, which are sweeter and creamier. Plantains are more similar to potatoes in taste, while bananas are often eaten as a sweet snack or dessert. Now let's talk about how they're used in the kitchen. Plantains are typically cooked before consumption, either boiled, fried, or baked, and are often used in savory dishes. Some popular plantain dishes include tostones, mofongo, and tajadas. On the other hand, bananas are usually eaten raw or used in sweet dishes like banana bread, smoothies, and pancakes. Though they can also be fried or baked, it's less common compared to plantains. Nutritionally, plantains and bananas do have some differences. Plantains are higher in carbohydrates and lower in sugar, making them a more filling and less sweet option. They also have more vitamin A, vitamin C, and potassium than bananas. Bananas are an excellent source of quick energy thanks to their higher sugar content and provide a good dose of vitamin B6, manganese, and dietary fiber. So, to sum it up, plantains and bananas may look similar, but they have distinct differences in size, taste, texture, culinary uses, and nutritional content. The next time you're in the grocery store or planning a meal, you'll know exactly which one to choose for your needs. Thank you for joining me today in uncovering the delicious mystery of plantains and bananas. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Restaurant Clicks for more exciting content. See you in the next video.